Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Go. Alright guys, spraying some white epoxy primer on our parts. This is the underneath the hood, where the hood latch goes. Just to get something on it. This is epoxy from Eastwood.
Runs easily.
Yeah, just let it tack up and then it goes out.
Again, these are for the 1958 Chevy Apache build we're doing. First off, I did the hood yesterday and today. And we did a little bit of all metal here. A little work there. A little work over here, but all in all, it looks pretty good.
Ron's hitting the corners, the lip. And again, guys,
This is not a heavy build or anything like that. This is just to cover bare metal. We still got a lot of body work to do.
Ron's putting his knee pads in. There it was.
This is not a high build thing, it's thing that
Oh, good.
Keeps it rusting away out there, you know?
I wanted to have something on it.
Here's your hose. I got you. If you can move.
Anybody interested in spraying it about 14 pounds at the nozzle, at the tip.
At the trigger?
Yeah, at the tip.
At the tip?
So with the air.
Ron says he's spraying about 14 psi at the tip. So if anybody's wondering, this stuff runs pretty easy. That's why we're going at a little lower pressure.
It seems to be doing alright.
Maybe it's just hot enough outside.
2 guys in a 2.5 car garage, basically. 2 car door and that, okay? We're painting, we're doing our thing. I think if we had an HOA or something, they'd probably have a problem with us. But we've got cool neighbors and, you know, we've got everything filtered going out the door. We got fans and everything else, trying to really contain it. And when you're outside, you can't really tell that we're doing anything in here. So we got the door cracked up here, down here. We got some good lighting. We're still working on getting better lighting, but right here it's good. And yeah. So anyway, I mean, there are, and you'll see it in the video, there are dents and dings and things that need to be taken care of and this, that, and the other, but that's, it's pretty good. And honestly, it's not, that was not the intent for getting this primed today. It was just to get it not bare metal so that it can sit outside for a little bit and not rust away and pit and become terrible. So this is what we're gonna do to the whole truck. So this is why we're systematically taking it apart, and hopefully we'll keep doing that and get this down to where all the parts look like this. We'll put the whole doghouse back on it. I'm probably gonna do the roof of the truck and drip rail and all of that. Probably pull the doors and do the doors too, and just kind of do what I can with my bower and other things we've got, and just kind of go from there. So this is what you can expect to see going on here soon. I would say realistically, by the end of the year, we'll be putting on Mustang 2, 9-inch Ford, the boxing in the frame, and triangulated 4-bar, getting all that set up, and our brakes and all that ran, and hopefully have most of this between now and then roughed in and metal work pretty much done and moved on to body work. And I'll be honest with you guys, I see a little dent right there, and you know, there's some pitting stuff in the back here that we have to take care of, but really it's not bad. It's really not bad at all. So, and this really isn't hiding anything, so kind of cool. Anyway guys, I'm gonna leave you with that, and I'll bring you back here in a minute for coat number 2, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom. Please subscribe to the channel. Hey everybody, this is coat number 2 going on the hood of the 58 Apache, and this should look a lot better than the first coat, and the first coat looked really good. So we're kind of rushing because we got a thunderstorm outside and we need to get that thing in here, but we're looking pretty good. I just thought I'd bring this to you. A lot of you guys like this paint and body stuff, so. Looking good.
That's all you want is
Looks good. Looks great, actually. Maybe this back lip back here, one more hit. That looks pretty good. Okay. And that's a wrap for the hood. You want to hit that again, or are you good?
No, I don't want to. We'll put that over.
Alright guys. Alright guys, there you go. That's a wrap on priming the epoxy priming the 1958 Chevy pickup Apache foot. And
We're gonna let this dry. We're probably gonna scoot this over a little bit here in a minute and then pull the thing back in, but let this dry and go on about our business here. Let it thunderstorm outside. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom. If you're watching this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Have a good one.